Hi, in this video, you'll get to see me speed cleaning and cooking. Tonight, I decided to make spaghetti and meatballs. I doubled the meatball recipe so I could can most of the meatballs. I love using a cookie scooper to make my meatballs similar size. After I scoop out most of the meat, I will roll them into balls. Some of the meatballs will be cooking while I roll the rest of the meatballs. I'm done rolling the meatballs, so I'm going to gather all the tools that touch the meat and put it in the sink. Afterwards, I'm going to start loading the dishwasher and washing some of the dishes by hand. Just so you know, I'm still browning my meatballs and making sure to wash my hands every time I touch meat. If I recorded the process of washing my hands, then it probably would have been half of the video footage. I usually like to start making dinner anywhere from 3 to 4 p.m. This way the dinner is ready before my kids get hungry. But today we got home after 4 p.m. so my kids ate a quick snack while I prepared the meatball mix. While another set of meatballs are cooking, I'll rinse the bowl's lid that I kept the meatballs on, wash my hands, and continue speed cleaning. I'm just wiping off the crumbs and peanut butter off the table, then I'll continue loading the dishwasher. Here I am laughing at myself, trying to fit all the dishes in the dishwasher. I already rearranged the cups so the bowl could fit. I also moved the bottom lid and cutting board closer to the middle so I could fit the last cutting board that the meatballs are on. Now I'm hand washing the last dirty dishes in the sink. I usually don't like to put knives, cookie scooper, or garlic presser in the dishwasher. I'm also going to quickly clean and rinse the sink. Whenever I cook with raw meats, I make sure to always clean the sink. I always struggle to drink enough water, so I make sure to always have a water bottle nearby so I can be sure to be hydrated. Now I'm putting a few other things away that don't belong on the counter. I'm also going to take the dirty towels to the laundry room and grab the egg container to the garage. I don't use one microfiber cloth throughout my cleaning. I always grab a fresh clean cloth whenever I think it's necessary. Now I'm just looking at the spaghetti and meatballs recipe to see what I'll need for the sauce. I'll need a cutting board, 2 onions, and lots of garlic. While I'm preparing my food, I make sure to always have a bowl next to me so I can put all the scraps in the bowl instead of the counter. That way I can easily throw away the garbage and keep my kitchen clean. I'm finally cooking the last set of meatballs. I'm going to quickly rinse the board and turn on the dishwasher. Afterwards, I'll quickly clean the counter that was dirty and wipe half the stovetop. I had a lot of oil splatter all over the stove and I need to reheat leftovers for dinner. We usually like to eat dinner anywhere from 6 to 7 p.m. Today it was a little later because they had a late snack. I finally finished browning all the meatballs and at this point I was a little exhausted. But I'm going to continue because I need to soften 2 onions and set the table for my boys and I. We're having zielone borscht, which is a chicken soup with lots of vegetables. After I set the table, I'm going to pour the tomato sauce into the pot and add in the meatballs. Cover and let it simmer while we eat dinner. Right after dinner, my boys ran off to get their pajamas while I cleared and wiped the table and the chairs. The dishwasher is still cleaning the last load of dishes, so I'm going to quickly rinse the dinner dishes and go get my kids ready for bedtime. I got all my kids in bed and our meatballs are ready to be canned. I canned 4 large mason jars for future busy nights. I made sure to leave enough meatballs for tomorrow's spaghetti and meatballs dinner. This is what was left after my husband came home from work and ate his late dinner. Now I'm going to quickly unload the dishwasher, reload it with our dinner dishes, and turn it on. This way I can have clean dishes to unload tomorrow in the morning. Now I'm clearing the counter so I can wipe the counter clean. After wiping the counter, I'm going to quickly clean and rinse the sink. I just took my pots off the stove so the stovetop can cool off while I sweep the floor. After I finish sweeping, I'm going to quickly wipe off all the oil splatters on the microwave and the stove. Just so you know, I don't cook like this every single night. On Friday, we're gonna have spaghetti and meatballs, and on Saturday, we like to go somewhere with the family. If you like this video, make sure to watch my other videos on how to clean fast and 7 habits for a cleaner kitchen. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!